Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Science with Mr.Lakatos. Today, our topic is going to be electricity. Now, children, for those of you who haven't seen me in a few weeks, as you can see, growing a beard, it's my coronavirus beard, okay? So just think that's a coronavirus beard. I want to keep it going until either we get back to school or until my wife tells me to shave it off. We'll see which one comes first. So, everything around us is made up of matter.
Do I matter?
Of course you're matter. We're all matter. Now, matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. And all matter is made up of tiny little things called atoms. Now, on an atom, they have a positive charge and a negative charge. Okay? And it's the positive and negative charges trying to get together that makes electricity. So electricity is the energy we get from moving electrons. Now, why do electrons move? Do we have anything electrical, Beaker? Oh, thank you. Where did this come from? Did you make it?
Yeah.
Yeah? I guess since you made it, do you want to plug it in or should I? You want me to plug it in?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll plug it in. And then there you go. So we have an electrical wire, we have a switch, and we have light bulbs. And with electricity, if we push the switch, the light bulbs turn on. Now, how does this work? Okay? With matter, electrons always want to get to protons. Electrons are attracted to protons. They want to hook up with protons. So because they're attracted to each other, electrons are always trying to get to a proton. Do we have a battery? Thank you, Beaker. So if you ever use batteries, you'll notice that one side is plus and then one side is minus. The plus is positive, the minus is negative, and the minus is the electrons. So how does it work? Do we have a chart to show this, Beaker? Why, thank you, Beaker. So, how it works. Okay, when you hook up a battery, you always notice there's a plus side and a negative side, a right way to put a battery in. So for it, when you put it in, all the electrons on one side of the battery, they travel through a wire. A wire would be the path that they could follow, and they follow it all the way until they get to the positive. Now, as the electrons are going, if you put a light bulb in between, the electrons will light the light bulb as they're passing by to get to the battery. So, in everything, electrons always try to get to protons, and a wire gives a path for the electrons to follow so they could get to the protons. So plain and simple, that is how electricity works. And then tomorrow, we'll get into, Friday, we'll get into a circuit or different ways that different paths that electricity can get from one place to another. Thank you.